Hey everyone, and welcome to coding-bootcamps.com. This is the Introduction to NoSQL Programming course. And in this course, we're going to talk about how to create and manage NoSQL databases. Just a heads up, NoSQL is another term for non-relational. You may hear those terms used interchanged throughout the course. My name's Nathaniel. I'm a software engineer with over 5 years of experience, and I'm currently an instructional associate part-time at Georgia Tech, where I help to teach and administer a course on database systems and concepts, where we focus on relational databases or SQL databases. Again, those two terms are used interchangeably. And the prerequisites for this course, there aren't any, which is great. If at any point you feel like we're going too fast, just pause your video and try to catch up. But once you have Mongo installed, which we'll talk about, there are no prerequisites. Just be willing to try to think critically about the examples and reference the documentation. So we're going to talk about getting started. We're going to talk about creating, reading, updating, and deleting data, getting database information, querying for data, update operators, upserts and inserts, collections, which is a common theme throughout the course, but we'll dive into more detail in session 7. Aggregations, count, sum, and other operators that we'll use, and indexes, as well as bulk operations. Note that once you get to session 8, the content gets a little more advanced. So we try to build one session after the next and keep working our way up. So I hope you won't feel overwhelmed in sessions 8, 9, and 10, but definitely consider that fact that the content will become more difficult in those later sessions. I hope that whatever your background is, you are able to come away feeling comfortable using the Mongo CLI, and that you're able to feel like you've got some good code snippets and understandings of creating, updating, managing data from a JavaScript file, and feel like you can go off and keep expanding on that and build a cool application if you so feel inclined. So with that said, please consider these next classes. And I just want to say thank you very much for the opportunity to teach this course. I really hope you enjoy it, and I will see you in the next session.